Hi student, welcome in class 7. Today I will see how to use the different type of formulas. I think student in the last year also I told some information about the formulas in Microsoft Excel. See here all different type formulae. Sum is there, sum, average, count number, max, mean. Max means maximum number and mean means minimum number. That formula you know. Now see how to calculate this all formulas and how to use this type of the all formulas. Now I will calculate the total. In the column B, different type of the value is there. I will add this all value together with the help of AutoSum option. I will select a B12 and I will use the AutoSum formula. Another method is there with the help of plus sign, means I will write first is equal to and then I will add the all values B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10 and B11 all, and see properly here all B2 to B11 I will add with the help of a plus sign, and when I will press the enter button, then automatically addition of that all numbers will come there. Here see 292 value came, means with the help of plus sign only it is possible to add. But another method is there, it is called AutoSum. I will select all and I will click on the AutoSum option which present in the formula. Then when I will click the sum option, automatically sum will come. Sum means total 292. These are the information about addition. When I will insert the new row, then also it will not change. Understood? And suppose I will add the any one of the number in a B4, then also automatically this value will change there. Suppose I will add the 10 in the B4, then automatically what will come? 302 will come because of 292 plus 10 means 302. Now student, I will see the next formula, average. You want to calculate the average with the help of formula average, means you write is equal to average, select range properly and then you click on the enter button, automatically average will come there. Another method also is there. See here I will show the another method to calculate the average. I will write the first is equal to and I will select the all values and then how many values total 10 value is there, and that 10 value divided by 10 I will do, means here I selected the all values sum and divided by 10. Divided by 10, and when I will press the enter button, automatically answer will come 25.9. that is the method to calculate the average. Another one method is that directly select this C2 up till C11 and then use the formula average. That average formula available in the formulas option in the sum. You click on the average, automatically average will remove 25.9. that is the value of average. These are the information about average, how to calculate the average. Now we will see the next point, count number or word, means how many number used in the column or how many words used in that column, then you want to find, then formula is there, is equal to count. Is equal to count opening bracket select all range, and then you press the enter button. Automatically 10 value is there, that all 10 value came here. See properly, 10 answer came because of this 10, all 10 number is there. But I want to find the particular value, for example 8, then also possible there. See properly here, how many time of 8 used? D2, D7 and D10. There are 3 places used 8. I want to calculate that, then I will use the formula is equal to count if, that is the one formula is there, is equal to count if opening bracket, I will select all numbers, means D2 to D11, all 10 numbers. I will give the comma, and what I want to find, 8 number, that 8 I will write in the double quotation, double inverted comma, double inverted comma I will complete, and then I will close the bracket and I will press the enter. See the student here, when I will press the enter button, that time what happening, how many times of 8 is present, that will display in the D12. See properly here, 3 times, 3 places there, D2, D7 and D8, that 3 times 8 used. That's reason I will use the formula count if. That's reason here what came, 3 times 3 number came. Now I will see the next point. I want to find the maximum number and I want to find the minimum number. For that also number is there and formula also is there. Maximum, now we'll find the maximum number. Total in the E column 10 number is there, and in that 10 which maximum value number is there, that I want to find, then I will use the max formula is equal to max. Otherwise I will select the E column and then I will click on the max formula, automatically answer will come there, 48. See properly, in that 10 numbers, 48 the biggest number, maximum number. Here formula also is there, is equal to max opening bracket, select range E2 to E11 and press the enter button, automatically will come there. That is the formula related to find out the maximum number, max number. Now we'll see the minimum number. For the minimum number also same process do, select all values and press the max mean from the formulas, automatically answer will come here. From F2 till F11 all values I will select and I will press the enter button, then what will come, minimum number. See here 11 is the lowest number present in the F column. That is the method to calculate the maximum formulas. These type of different formulas available in our Microsoft Excel. You want to learn, then also possible. Now see here what calculated, total, average, count number, maximum number and minimum number. These all parts I calculated here. That is the information related our the use of the formula in Microsoft Excel. In MS Excel more formulas and function. In that chapter this type of formulas give. Student, you take help of textbook also and you do the practice on our computer and see the properly, it is possible to find out the average, total, maximum and minimum number. Then it is when we'll do the practice, that's important part is there. You take a help of a textbook. Thank you very much. Remaining part I will explain in the next video. Thank you very much. After this watching video, everyone click on the complete button.